Hello everybody, this is Darshon Eluett, and we're going to go over Module 6, Objective 3, Lowest Degree Polynomial. Out of this, you're going to learn how to construct the lowest degree polynomial with the zeros given to you for any equation. But in this case, we have negative 4 over 3, negative 3 over 2, and negative 3. So first, let's write our equation, which is a times x minus 1 times negative 4 over 3, parentheses x minus 1 times negative 3 over 2, parentheses x minus 1 times negative 3. So first things first, what I would like to do is multiply, to get these fractions, including the whole number, into the lowest common denominator, which is 6, which will have this, and also getting rid of those negatives, since negative times negative is positive, which will get you a times x plus 8 over 6. Why 8 over 6? Because you multiply 2, which gives you 6 for x for the denominator of 3. And once you multiply to the denominator, you do it to the numerator, which is why the numerator is 8. Then the same goes for the rest of them. X plus 9 over 6, parentheses x plus 18 over 6. And this is where the FOIL comes in. And so you multiply these two here, which gets you this. A parentheses x squared plus 17 over 6x plus 72 over 36. And then you still have this remaining. Then you FOIL again, which is a longer process. That's because this is a longer part of the equation. And then you have this. I know, too much for me to read. Alright. So now, to explain how you get A. So A is basically the lowest common denominator, which is 6. Since everything here can be multiplied by 6 and still get you a whole number when multiplying by 6. But first things first, before we change A into 6, let's get rid of key like terms, which gets you this equation here, this part of the equation here, which is a parentheses x cubed plus 35 over 6x squared plus 378 over 36x plus 1296 over 216. After getting rid of all the like terms, then you change A to 6, because everything is multiplicable by 6, which will result to this. 6x cubed plus 35x squared plus 63x plus 36, which is the final answer. So the main takeaway from this is to pay attention to the lowest common denominator of the zeros given to you. Like for another example would be, let's just say that they're all whole numbers. Then A will equal 1 because everything, the denominators for all of them is 1. And for some equations, I think they may be given, like all of them have a denominator of 3, but who can tell, right? Well, that's it. That's it for this module on objective. I hope you learned a lot from this, and I'll see you next time.